Namo Namaha Chhatraha. Suprabhatam. Student, in the last two videos, we have started Kriyapadasya Sahacharaha. Now everyone know Kriyapada works. Okay. Now when dhatu end with ti, tah, anti, si, thah, th, mi, vah, mah, that time Kriyapada, right? Dhatu end with pratyaya. Now today we will start that lesson Bhashabhyasaha. Let's start, student. See, student, Bhashabhyasaha. अधोरेखितानां शब्दानां कारकं लिखत माध्यम भाषया अनुवादं कुरुत च. See, student, अधोरेखितानां means underline word. अधोरेखिता means underline. शब्दानां words. कारकं लिखत, write down कारक. And माध्यम भाषया Anuvadam kuruta. Anuvad means translation. Translate in your language. Madhyam Bhasha means your language. Now, our only one and one language, only English. Do not write in Marathi, Gujarati. Okay. Only write down in English. See, Aditya Geetam Gayati. Now, Aditya is an underlined word, right? Adhorekitanam Shabda. So, Aditya, the Karaka Karta. Karaka, just see here. Karakam, Karta. Karta always in Prathama Vibhakti. That day we saw. Aditya, Karta Karaka. Geetam Gayati. Now translation. Aditya sings a song. Next. Balakaha Udyane Kridanti. Now see, underline word is Udyane. Udyane. Which Vibhakti? Udyane. Yes, correct. Saptami Vibhakti. So, Saptami Vibhakti Adhikaran? Adhikaranam. So, Karaka Adhikaranam. Adhikarana Karaka. Balakaha means children. Udyane, garden. And Udyane Saptami Vibhakti preposition in, at, on, upon. Do you remember? Yes. So, Udyane in the garden. Kridanti. Kridanti means playing. Children are playing in the garden. Next. Aham Devam Pranamami. Now see again. Aham is an underlined word. Aham is a karta. And karta always in Prathama Vibhakti. Karaka, karta. Devam, to God. Pranamami means bowing down. Aham Devam Pranamami. I bow down to God. Next. Tvam Churikaya Phalam Kartayasi. Now see, underline word is Churikaya. Original word is Churika. That you know, knife. Now Churikaya. Which Vibhakti? Churikaya? Yes, Tritiya Vibhakti. So Tritiya Vibhakti Karaka Karanam. Instrument. Tvam means you. Churikaya. Tritiya Vibhakti. Tritiya Vibhakti preposition. By or with. By knife or with knife. Phalam, fruits. Kartayasi, kartayasi, cutting. Now see, student here. Tvam kartayasi. Tvam is a madhyam purusha. So kartayasi. See also in madhyam purusha. Ekvachana form there. Correct. Tvam churikaya phalam kartayasi. Now here karana karaka. You are cutting the fruit with a knife. Next. Ulka avakashat patati. Now see, underline word is avakashat. Like Devat, Panchami Vibhakti. And Panchami Vibhakti Karaka Apadanam. Now see, ulka. Ulka means meteor. Okay, meteor, meteor. Avakashat. Avakashat means from the sky. Patati falls. A meteor falls from the sky. Next. मुख्याध्यापकः छात्रेभ्यः पारितोषिकाणि यच्छति. Now here two underlines words, right? Two words are in underline. Chhatrebhyah. Chhatrebhyah. When end with bhyah, that time which vibhakti? Yes, correct. Chaturthi and Panchami Bahuvachanam. And Paritoshikani. Paritoshikani. Paritoshikam, Paritoshikani. Bahuvachana. Dvitiya form. Dvitiya vibhakti. Now first see Chhatrebhyah. Chhatrebhyah. Chaturthi Bahuvachana form. And Chaturthi Sampradana. Karaka is a Sampradana. Next, Paritoshikani. Paritoshikani Karma Dvitiya. And Dvitiya Vibhakti always in Karma. So Karma Karaka is there. Mukhyadhyapaka. Mukhyadhyapaka headmaster. Chhatrebhyah student. Paritoshikani prizes. Yachati gives. The headmaster gives prize to the student. Vayam chitrapatam pashyamah. Vayam we. Now underline word chitrapatam. When word end with that time which vibhakti? Correct. Dvitiya vibhakti. And Dvitiya vibhakti karaka? Karma karaka. So here answer karma karaka. Vayam we chitrapatam movie pashyamah. See. Now see, ha student. Chitrapatam pashyamah. But here verb is pashyamah according to vayam. Vayam is a bahuvachana form. So pashyamah also in bahuvachanam. We see the film. Pitamah prabhate vrittapatram pathati. Now again two words underlines. Pitamah. Pitamah prathama vibhakti. And prathama vibhakti karaka karta. So pitamah karta karaka. Prabhate. In the morning. Which vibhakti? Saptami. And Saptami vibhakti karaka adhikaranam. So answer will become here. Pitamah karta karaka. And prabhate adhikaranam. Vrittapatra. Vrittapatra means newspaper. Pathati, reading. Grandfather reads the newspaper. Giryarohaka Shikharat Yashtikabhyam Avatarati. Now see here three words underline. Giryarohaka correct. Prathama vibhakti karaka karta. So Giryarohaka karta karaka. Shikharat like Devat. Panchami vibhakti. Yes, Panchami vibhakti karaka apadanam. Apadana karakam. And Yashtika bhyam 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 bhyam. Which vibhakti? Chaturthi, Panchami, Tritiya, Chaturthi, Panchami, Dvivachanam. Now here Yashtika bhyam Karana karaka Tritiya vibhakti. Okay. Now Giryarohakaha. Giryarohakaha mountaineer. Shikharat. Shikharat mount. Yashtikabhyam. Yashtikabhyam is stick. Avatarati climb. A mountaineer climbs down with the two sticks. Now why were used two sticks? Because Yastikabhyam is a dvivachana form and dvivachan always sankhya two. That's where I use Yastikabhyam two sticks. Clear student here? Now next question. Yogya vibhakti rupam yojayat. Yoga appropriate form use form, vibhakti form. Okay, use appropriate vibhakti form. युवकः dash dhanam anayati. Now see student, in the bracket they are given some words. Vittakosha in first, second Tula, third Bhagini, Deva, Pradarshini. Okay, now these words used for proper form. Okay, Yuvakaha dash dhanam anayati. Vittakosha. Vittakosha, that you know Vittakosha means? Yes, bank. Now dhanam anayati. Dhanam money. Anayati bring. From bank. Correct. So from is a Panchami Vibhakti. So Vittakosha, this word in Panchami Vibhakti. Vittakoshat. Correct. So answer will become there. Yuvakah Vittakoshat dhanam anayati. Next, Aparikah Tula dhanyam tolayati. Now use proper form Tula. Now, Aparikah shopkeeper dhanyam grains tolayati tola tulla, right? So Tula means to weight. Tula in proper form tulaya. Aparikah tulaya dhanyam tolayati. Now we have used tritiya vibhakti. We use their instrument. Tula is an instrument. So tulaya answer will become there. Next, bhrata dash shatikam yachati. Bhagini. Now ikaranta word. Bhrata shatika. Shatika means sari. Yachati gives. Bhrata two bhagini, two sister. So bhaginyai is a proper form. Bhrata bhaginyai shatika yachati. Next, pitamaha dash pujayati. That your word deva. To God. To is a Vidya Vibhakti. Devam pujayati. Pradarshini dash चित्राणि सन्ति. Exhibition pradarshini. So in pradarshiniam chitrani santi. Pradarshiniam. Next, yogyam paryayam chinuta. Now see, they are given two words. One word is correct and one word is not correct. So yogyam paryayam, choose the correct word. Chhatrah shlokah smarati or chhatrah shlokam smarati. What is correct? Chhatrah shlokam smarati. Correct. Next, rakshakah क्रोधेन चोरम ताडयति or rakshakah krodhaya choram ताडयति. Now see, क्रोधेन the tritiya vibhakti and krodhaya chaturthi vibhakti. Which vibhakti they are used? Correct vibhakti is a tritiya. Rakshakah krodhena to choram ताडयति. Answer will become correct. Answer will become there. Krodhena. Next, शिक्षकः छात्रेभ्यः पुस्तकानि यच्छति और शिक्षकः छात्रैः पुस्तकानि यच्छति. छात्रेभ्यः चतुर्थी बहुवचन form and छात्रैः which vibhakti? Like devaihi. Yes, for student. So छात्रेभ्यः answer will be correct. Answer will be there. शिक्षकः छात्रेभ्यः पुस्तकानि यच्छन्ति. And more one, yachati, dayacha. And dayacha is chaturthi vibhakti. Now only remember. Next, vatikayam jaladharayantram asti. Vatikayah jaladharayantram asti. Jaladharayantram, that means fountain. Okay. Now where? Vatikayam. Correct answer. Vatikayam jaladharayantram asti. नेक्स्ट, आकाशे तारकाः पतन्ति और आकाशात तारकाः पतन्ति. Akash is a Saptami Vibhakti and Akashat is a Panchami Vibhakti. Which Vibhakti is correct there? Yes, Panchami Vibhakti. Akashat, from the sky. Akashat Tarakaha Patanti. Mantri Mahodayah कार्यक्रमस्य उद्घाटयति और मंत्री महोदयः कार्यक्रमम् उद्घाटयति. Yes, कार्यक्रमस्य is the षष्ठी विभक्ति and कार्यक्रमम् is the द्वितीया विभक्ति. Which vibhakti correct? द्वितीया विभक्ति. So मंत्री महोदयः कार्यक्रमम् उद्घाटयति. Okay. Now student, next. उचित विभक्ति प्रयोगेण वाक्यं रचयत. Now they are used exact vibhakti. They are given some words, katha, vidyalaya, pustaka, madhura swara, chhatra. Okay, so they are used correct vibhakti and vakyam rachayata means make the sentence. Sanskritasya shikshakah Rameshah. Now see here, Ramesh they are given only. So Rameshah katham kathayati. Katham kathayati. संस्कृतस्य शिक्षकः रमेशः विद्यालय कथयति. Is it correct? No, wrong. संस्कृतस्य शिक्षकः पुस्तकं कथयति. Not correct. कथां कथयति is correct. Now, संस्कृतस्य शिक्षकः कथां मधुरस्वरेण कथयति. Is it correct? संस्कृतस्य शिक्षकः छात्रान् कथां कथयति. This sentence also correct. Now see, संस्कृतस्य शिक्षकः रमेशः विद्यालये. Now there use all words in correct vibhakti. Okay. Now how to make sentence formation? So Rameshah where विद्यालये. विद्यालये सप्तमी विभक्ति. विद्यालये whom छात्रेभ्यः. What? पुस्तकात्. कथां मधुरस्वरेण कथयति. Now see, again listen carefully. Use all words in correct form, correct vibhakti. So संस्कृतस्य शिक्षकः रमेशः विद्यालये छात्रेभ्यः पुस्तकात् from the textbook कथां story मधुरस्वरेण कथयति. Dear student, now the last question. विभिन्न कारकाणाम् उपयोगं कृत्वा यच्छति, ग्रथति, क्षिपति, पठति इत्यादिनां क्रियापदानां सहायेन दीर्घाणि वाक्यानि रचयत. Now see here, student, this is homework. Use these all kriyapada yachati, grathati, kshipati and patati and make the sentence. Okay, but in the sentence use karaka. See, yachati. Raja याचकेभ्यः धनं यच्छति. माता बालकाय लड्डुं यच्छति. ग्रथति. मुग्धा काचमणिं काञ्चनं च एकसूत्रे ग्रथति. क्षिपति. throwing. बालकः okay, sorry, क्षिपति throwing. पेटिकायां च क्षिपति. बालकः वस्तूनि पेटिकायां च क्षिपति. पठति. अहम प्रभाते वृत्तपत्रम पठति. Okay. Now there use karaka and write down sentence. See student, here our lesson number 11. Kriyapadasya sahacharaha we have completed. We have completed. Now everyone, this Bhashabhyasah solve in your notebook. Okay student? Thank you.